Well, hey, you guys, welcome back to the Canning Nana. I am really sorry I haven't been on for the last couple days. Probably won't be on tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. Um, but I just wanted to share there is an upcoming video with some giveaways, and who doesn't need one of these if you can? Does anybody know what this is? And if you do, um, I want you to comment in the comments below as to what this is and why you would need it. And this isn't the actual one I'm giving away. It's going to look a lot better than this in just a few days, and then we'll be ready to ship them out. So, for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away 5 of these. What are they? Um, Put it in the comments. What do you use this for? What are they, and what do you use it for? And then put 2021. So your answer and then the year. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye. See you soon. And check out my other videos.